Yeah, this is shipping Charlie 1548. Take Ontario, turn 20. Coordinated universal time, until 2200.
To use a GPS is learning the GPS interface, which changes from GPS to GPS. The mathematics, I already know. There's no learning curve.
I don't think it's taking pictures. It's taking movies.
Not crazy. Best calculation ever do 16.
Hi, Beauty. Hi, Beauty. Move this out of my way, she said. Move this out of my way.
Really, we can just look, we're right here.
I don't know your email address. I'm at a disadvantage.
Well, my YouTube account is Dear Universe.
Dear Universe. Like D-E or D-E-A?
D-E-A-R. Universe.
Are you? She is filming now, isn't she?
Strange thing happening. Nobody seems to be very concerned. But... Diner.
Thanks. Man is not uniformly organized. He always demands more than the world gives him of his own accord. Nature has endowed us with needs. Among them are some that are left to our own initiative to satisfy. Abundant are the gifts bestowed upon us, but still more abundant are our desires. We seem born to be dissatisfied.
I know it. Are you getting the stars?
This stars.